really feel for her. It's a real situation to be in, especially being the face of something anti-Māori like that. You know, they've made it look like she actually supports that kaupapa, which is, you know, the most hurtful thing. Like, for me, if that was me, I would really feel like my reputation was damaged. So in this particular case with Fire Allen, something like that would 9 times out of 10 not happen with True Stock and the content license agreements that they have in the first place. All of the clients that I photograph have their own release forms.
Yeah.
And so in those cases, I'd get the talent or the model to fill out that organisation's release form. Or, you know, there's usually a representative that comes with me to the photo shoot who will handle all of that stuff, so I don't need to bother with it. And that, you know, we agree not to misuse the image.